Hello dear students. Today I came up with an interesting activity, that is how to test our lungs capacity. Do you know how much air our lungs can hold? That is 5800 ml of air is present in our lungs. That means nearly 6 liters of air our lungs are holding. In one go, how much air we takes in and we sends out? That is our activity that we want to know now. For this, that means in breathing, in inhalation time and also in exhalation time, how much air we are taking in and we are sending out. That is we are going to do now. That is we are going to measure now. For that, we required a bottle, measuring vessel, level pipe, bucket or tub, water, tape. First, what we have to do, observe this activity carefully. I fill this bucket and also this bottle with this measuring vessel. You can take any measuring vessel available at your home. The capacity of this measuring vessel is 150 ml. I filled this water bottle with this measuring vessel. For every 150 ml, I marked with the tape the level, the measuring here with the tape. For every 150 ml, I kept the tape here. Completely, I filled this bottle with this measuring cup. For every 150 ml, I marked this like this. I marked with the tape like this. After completion of the filling the bottle, I took one level pipe and I kept the level pipe in the bottle. One end of the bottle in the one end of the pipe in the bottle. We have to upside down the bottle in the tub like this or bucket like this. Water should not come out of the bottle. Here you observed a little amount of water came out. What we have to blow the air. We have to blow the air through this pipe into the bottle. That means in one go how much air we take in, that's amount of air we sends out. So we have to blow out the air through the pipe into bottle. Now see, yeah, like this air enter into bottle. The water came out of the bottle into bucket. The level of the air which is present in the bottle is the capacity of our lungs. This is 150 ml, 300 ml, 450, 600. This is in between here. So 675 ml of air I am taking in one go. So this is the way to find how much air we take in and how much air we sends out in one go. We can test or we can measure through this activity. So dear children, try to do this activity at your home and whatever the materials available to you, use them properly and wisely to measure your lungs capacity. This is approximately, we are saying, not exactly. My lung capacity is nearly 675 ml. Here actually in an average human being takes 500 ml of air in one go. Actually our lung capacity is more than that. So we have to take the air more. Then only the oxygen will be enter into our body more. Then we will be very active if oxygen enters more. Okay. So we have to increase our lung capacity by doing yoga and exercise like that. Okay children. Thanks for watching and I will meet you again with another topic. Until then, bye. So don't forget to do this activity and don't forget to test the capacity of your lungs.